back to my channel. Welcome to another video. If you are new, hi, I'm Tati. Welcome to my channel. I hope you guys like what you see, and if you do, make sure you guys subscribe in 3, 2, 1. Click it. I know you want to. And if you are OG subscribers, hello, welcome back. So for today's video, you guys, I am coming to you guys with my main Boxycharm unboxing. Finally have it in my hand. I already did a sneak peek, that's why it's like this. As you guys can see, I already did my eyebrows because we didn't get no eyebrow pencil or no eyebrow kit on this box. So the theme today is the super bloom, and on the back it just give you all of the pearls that are inside here plus the original price. When I opened this, I saw big box here. This is the 111 Skin Anti-Oxygen Energizing Essence. Price for this one is... Do you guys want to know how much is this for the work? This is $100, you guys. Whoa! $100. And just for this, I just paid $29 a month. What? And I got $100 of a product. That is a steal. Use directly after cleansing as a skincare primer and follow with your regular routine. The essence will provide immediate hydration, soothing. Oh, and this is a frosty glass container, and it smells really good. It has like this soap refresh smell, and it's for $100. I will let you guys know what I think about it later on, because right now it's time to put on some makeup on. So the next stuff that we got, I know that I got a concealer for sure because it was one of the choices that you can choose from. This is the Item Air Hug Concealer, and I got the shade 320. And then I got the eyeshadow primer. You guys know that I don't like eyeshadow primers, but for today's video I'm gonna use a eyeshadow primer, but I like to apply concealer as a eyeshadow primer. It works way better a concealer than a eyeshadow primer, but just for today I'm gonna use the eyeshadow primer. Since we didn't get a eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna be using the TatyBeauty 2+ Obsession palette, which the colors got me like wow. So like I told you guys, I'm gonna be using the eyeshadow primer today. This retail for $18. This is a eyelid primer base formula formulated with hemp seed oil to moisturize and minimize color intensity of a crease look that lasts for up to 12 hours. This is from the brand TatyBeauty. You just have this squeezy tube. Are you coming out or not? Now do you see why I don't like eyeshadow primer? Just give you that white cast. I'm not impressed with this eyeshadow primer. Now let's move on with the eyeshadow palette. Alright you guys, eyes are done. Now let's move on with the face. So let's move on with the other product that comes on this Boxycharm box. So the next product, we got a serum. It's from the brand Skin Inc. And this is a serum glow filter. I haven't applied no serum or moisturizer on my face. And this retail for $50. Really expensive as well. This is a glow up with the world first skincare makeup serum glow filter, blending beauty and technology in one bottle. This clever concoction formulated with rare gold. It has hyaluronic acid, creating a glowy, personalized finish and reduced appearance of pores and red skin tone. Look at this rose gold ball, and it comes with a pump, so it's very interesting. Let's apply on my fingers. It smells like those MAC foundation. gonna take just a little bit more and apply it on my forehead. I don't like how it takes so long for the product to come out. It's tacky, so that's very good. That lets me know that my foundation is not gonna move. Just that the smell is very strong. Once again, it smells like the MAC foundation. If you have smelled the MAC foundation, that's how this product smells. I'm not saying I don't like it, it's just the smell. But other than the smell, the product is good. I'm gonna move on with moisturizer. We didn't get a moisturizer on this May Boxycharm, so I'm gonna be using this new moisturizer that I got as an example. This is the TatyBeauty, the Blockbuster Wonder Cream. Oh, this cream is very good. I like the feeling. I like how hydrating and luminous my face looks. It smells very good. It smells like a very high-end product. It's expensive, very expensive. Next, I'm gonna move on with foundation. For today's foundation, I'm gonna be using the Catrice True Skin Hydrating Foundation. This foundation is, love it, but it's not about the foundation. In warm caramel. Now let's move on with the concealer, the I Am Hair Hug Concealer. This retail for $18. So this is claimed that when you need to course correct, this medium to full coverage concealer is the way to go. This lightweight formula features carica papaya fruit extract to deliver a boost of yummy vitamin C and lends a smooth, seamless finish and melts into your skin without a crease inside. It's not gonna be creasing. It tends to be lightweight and it tends to be a medium to full coverage. We are gonna be finding out. This is the shade 320. The bottle is very big. The brush reminds me of the Shape Tape concealer. It doesn't have a smell. It looks like it's too light for my skin tone, but we're gonna work with what we have. Very smoothly to blend. It doesn't dry out that quickly, so that's a good thing. So I can take my time working with this concealer without worrying that it's gonna be drying so quickly. So let's talk about the concealer. Did I like it? Oh snap. I don't think that my foundation likes it. If you guys can see that around my nose, it is creasing on my nose and it's breaking out the foundation. It's getting on my pores. So this concealer is no for me. It's drying very badly on the bridge of my nose and on the side of my eyes.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
No wonder I didn't prime. I forgot about the primer. I just applied the serum, applied the cream, but I did not prime. So I'm guessing, I don't know if it's my fault or maybe it's the concealer, but I'm guessing that's why the concealer and the foundation is breaking out, because I didn't prime, but it's just creasing on my nose and on my side of my eyes. It's creasing really bad. But let's continue. I'm gonna be taking the BH Cosmetic Toulon palette. This is a 6-color bronzer and highlight palette. Gonna take this shade. I'm gonna be applying blush. I'm gonna use one of these two blushes that I got from Target. They are from the brand Makeup Revolution, and these are the Super Dewy Liquid Blush. I got two shades. This one that is called Blushing For You, and then this one that is called Blush Me Up. Where are you going? I think the one that I'm gonna be using is Blush Me Up today because it's calling my name. I don't like the smell. It's not so pigmented like I thought it was gonna be. And something about the smell, I don't like the smell. I'm gonna take the highlighter. I'm gonna use the Royalty, the Juvia's Place Royalty 1 highlighter. Let's move on with the last product on this box. That is the liquid lipstick. This is from the brand V Cosmetic, and this is a liquid velvet lipstick, and this retails for $22. The color is pretty, but it's not my type of. Let's just apply it. I'm gonna let you guys be the judge of this liquid lipstick. What you guys think? The color is pretty. I'm not gonna lie, the color, it is pretty, but it's not my type of color that I go for, and I'm not mad about the liquid lipstick. It's not so dry. It is matte, but it's not like super duper matte that feels dry on your lip. It feels really breathable. All that we got from this May Boxycharm. We got some hits, we got some misses. The one that hits me the most, that I'm like, I like it, is the serum. It's really nice, it's really tacky. Just that the smell, it smells like the MAC foundation. Other than that, I really like it. The mix for me, that has to be the concealer. I don't like the concealer. The packaging is pretty. It creases around my nose, on the bridge of my nose, on the side of my eye. It creases so bad. It's getting on my lines here. It's getting on my pores, and it's looking very dry. On the camera, it looks like it's alright. It's like, wow, what I can see on my monitor. Maybe I'm gonna be using it. Let's see if I can use it some other way that it doesn't have to be all over the face as the eyeshadow primer. The toner, I will give you guys the update later on the toner. I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts in some other video. The total amount of all of these products on this May Boxycharm is $208. We spent $29 instead of spending $208. I saved me a lot of money. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for staying this long. I hope you guys found it helpful and you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure you guys subscribe, as well turn on your post notification bell so that way you guys can be noticed when I will be posting a new video. And until my next one, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Esa chica quiere selfie, selfie, ella quiere ver. Pa' que el CP se dé cuenta que aquí perdió esa mujer. Lo que quiere